I do a tremendous job of making fun of a lot of people. I really do. Oh, have you guessed it? Oh, you guys are good at this game.
He gets a tip.
You get a tip to millions and millions.
You know what?
Hundreds.
I'd like to get a word in. I really would. You know something? Not a lot of people know this. I'll tell you guys. Oh, she's lost it again. That's awesome. I don't know where to start. Where do I start? We've got some catching up to do, people. Where do I start? You know what? I have no shortage of material. None whatsoever. Oh, you thought I was going somewhere else with that, didn't you? You know, no shortage. If I run out of material, which wouldn't happen because I got a very large brain. Huge brain. One of the biggest brains I think they've ever seen, really.
That's amazing. Oh my God.
If I've offended anyone yet, I'll keep going. Very large brain. I got big shoes too, but they're elevator shoes. I've got little lifts on them. I kind of want Ron DeSantis lifts. He's got some nice, sweet white ones. Have you seen them? I would totally wear those. Totally. Have I gone too far yet? No. Have I crossed the line with you people?
My stomach hurts.
My butt hurts. You know what?
Keep going.
I get that a lot. Melania says, "Keep going, Donald. Are you done yet?" I can't keep up. I really can't. I think I'm probably speeding. As soon as I said Melania, I started speeding.
How do you do that? That's incredible.
I get that a lot.
That's a big part to it.
We're gonna go back and charge.
Did you hear him?
We're gonna go back and charge.
Oh! Oh, let's run it again.
No. He's funny.
Yeah, let's turn this back up again. We're gonna remember this dance song.
Yeah. We have 11 minutes left.
Think it'll last that long.
My buddy Vladimir said to me, he said, "Donald, where you're going, you'll need some of these." I bought a whole case from China of soap on a rope. Like, when am I going to use soap on a rope? Like, really? Anyhow, I got a case of it. Like, I've gone too far. I've crossed the line with you people. I understand it.
Oh, that is amazing. That was perfect. That guy can do it great.
I'll be on TV sometime.
You need to do that.
Well, you know what? I have a sit-down routine. It's like a stand-up and a sit-down. I sit here with my Whopper, not you. Because I'm the king. When you go to Burger King, do you get a crown? No, you don't get a crown. They give me a crown because they know I'm the king. Oh, I'll totally go. Get me up there. I'll get security to clear the place out.
Oh my God, you are so good. You have to be doing this somewhere. You gotta be.
You know what? I need to find a bucket. If I want to put together a bucket list, it's going to be a pink bucket probably. I love pink. I don't tell a lot of people that, but I love pink.
I can't get over how good that is. That is actually phenomenal. God damn, that was the best.
I've got a new nickname for Ron. It's Ron Gay Santis. I'm going to tell him all about it when I invite him to Gay Lago.
Oh God, this is the funnest over ride.
Awesome.
You're awesome.
Thanks.
Let me stumble upon you. That was cool.
First things first. Where's your shitter? I've got a tunnel poking out here. Oh, I'm no kidding. I've got a crap on death that'll choke a donkey. Oh, it's all squinchy. I'm getting all emotional from it now. Do you mind if I pull in here? Cocoa. I could use a good cocoa.
We're going for a nightcap and then we're heading back.
Maybe I should join you guys. Brad, what do you think? I like to watch. Oh, look, guppies.
Oh my god, I've never seen anybody do him like that. Dude, you gotta keep going. That's hilarious.
Oh, Beach Zone, thank you for letting me know we're at the beach. You guys are tremendous, by the way. Best riders I've had since breakfast. Of all the homeless people. Oh, I think I missed one. There's one here too. Sure you want to ride around all night?
I think I do. Dan, let's go
My
pick
apologies.
Here you go. You can just drop us right here. See where it says cocktails.
I'll leave you guys with one thing. Not a lot of people know this, but the J in Donald J. Trump, it stands for genius. I am totally a genius. I really
You're awesome. My God, thank you.